Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Chima Tutorial channel. In this video, I want to guide you on how crypto arbitrage works, especially for beginners. Now, as a beginner, someone who is new into cryptocurrencies and how to make money with crypto, you have heard about crypto arbitrage. Somebody is telling you, oh, arbitrage is giving money. You don't really understand what it is. Yes, there are some designated, systems and platforms experts use for this, but I'm going to give you a snippet of what crypto arbitrage is all about and how you, even as a beginner, can start without even looking for those platforms. Now, let me give you an instance. I want to use a crypto like Bitcoin, for instance. Just watch me. I'm going to open 3 different exchanges right now. Now, at the same moment, I know that there are fluctuations, but you're going to notice something. Now, look at BTC here. This is BTC. The current price now is 112401. Then let's leave 112. This is 401. Yeah, you seen it? It's between just 401.1, just like that. That's, see how many minutes I'm talking is still at that point. The fluctuation is not so much. 401, 112401. Let's quickly look at this one. That same BTC at this same point on Bygate is 112422. Why I've just seen this now, I want us to quickly look at, because somebody will say, oh, it just fluctuated now. Let's still look at the one. You see it? The one at this or Bybit is still even 388. It's not up to 4. You understand it? You discover here that at Bybit is cheap, is lower in value. This is already at 388. Why? Meanwhile, quickly when you go to Bybit, you see it's still standing at 422, 415. You see the difference. Now let's quickly go to why you're having 388, 415 and all that. Let's look at what is going on Binx. Look at it. This is 370. The price here is so lowest. It's so low. I'm going to show you what that means. Are you seeing it? There's a price up there, like reading 388 or thereabout, fluctuating between 38 to 3 whatever. This one is still fluctuating to 36 to 37. Why the other one is busy, fluctuating between 400 and some. That's at Bygate. If you check Binance, you're going to see different things. Now, how do you do crypto arbitrage as a beginner? Now, when you open an account with all these exchanges, like I myself, I have an account with Beans, I have an account with Bybit, I have an account with Binance, I have an account with Bygate, and so many other ones like that. That's what I would do. When you open an account with all of these things and you can trade, you have verified your account, you can trade. I'm just using BTC for instance. Now, for the fact that BTC here now is, look at the highest you're having now is 395. Let me quickly check what is going on in Bygate. You see it is 419. I see 395 and 419. Look at the difference. It's so okay. 428. You see the difference. Why BTC here on Bygate is still reading 112,428, 443. Look at it, 443. See, is massive. This one is still at this. So it's still 422. It's going up, but you can see the difference is so much, so much. So that's where crypto arbitrage comes in. Now, I will go to where I have cheaper price. From every indication, Bybit and this place, especially in BIX, have cheaper price. And when I go here, I buy. Immediately I buy, I transfer to my wallet, my exchange, where the price is higher. That is, if I buy, for instance, now from Binx, I transfer to Bygate instantly. Now, you have to understand, most time when we do crypto arbitrage, we'll consider not only platforms, we also consider particular tokens. There are tokens that when you want to send, for instance, BTC is not that. There are more of the tokens. What you take with the transfer fee from one exchange to another will even erode the profit you want to make. But some of them are not like that. There are many of them. So that's why if you are interested in that, I will tell you coins where if you want to move from Bygate or Binx to Bygate, It won't even nothing. You are not spending a single fee. It's the same thing straight away. And that's where the expertise comes in now. But at least you need to have understanding of what this arbitrage is all about. So imagine I buy at 112,395 in large quantity. I send to the other one where they are selling 440, 112,440. If you don't understand crypto, that difference you see there is too massive, so big. What the little profit people make on crypto to become rich is not that much. If you see difference of $5 is too massive, depending on how much you buy. By the time you get there, you go quickly there, where the price is higher, you sell it. You have made a massive profit. When you made a massive profit in USDT, you transfer your USDT again back to where you are buying cheaper, buy it, send to where you are selling higher, the value is higher, and send there, and you make profits. So for the beginner, this is what crypto arbitrage is all about. And it's something at your level you can start doing. You don't need to be an expert, not to begin to ask, where is that side, where does it happen? With just this, you could see the difference going on. Now, before I round out this video, you could see that this on BINS here is now running to 112,449. Now, look at it, that's the highest so far. Let's now check here. You might be sure what you are going to be seeing here now. 112,449 there. Now this has risen to 112,465. Are you getting it? Are you seeing that from everything we've seen that shows you this is 112,453? I think it simply shows you that at all times the price of day free of this crypto, especially BTC on Bygate, is always higher. Yes, and we know why it is so. You know why it is so? If you go to Binance now, the price is much more higher than all of this. Because some of these platforms where a lot of people are, because of the market forces, a lot of people are there. A lot of people are visited in all of these exchanges. Binance is where you see more persons. Then you think about Bygate, you think about Bybit. So the lower traffic a particular site has, the lower the likeliness of the values of coins there. So if you go to those places, you buy coins cheap. In fact, when I'm talking about BINS, go to some places now, you see this price of BTC so lower, so much lower. So you can buy those places, then transfer to where you can sell bigger, and that is crypto arbitrage income for you. We have more of these videos, and we're going to still do a practical in our coming video for you to see exactly how it works. So I encourage you, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Very important. If this video makes sense, share it and give us a thumbs up. I want to stop at this, but if you have a question, use the comment box. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.